The Supreme Court, in a unanimous decision today, upheld a federal law that would force the sale of TikTok or ban the app in the U.S. Now, the social media giant with over 170 million American users is set to shut down in less than 48 hours. ABC's Melissa Adon has more from today's ruling and what the future could hold for the app.
They're going to take away TikTok.
The final days of TikTok could be near after the Supreme Court unanimously decided to uphold its ban in the U.S. The popular social media app with more than 170 million American users is scheduled to be banned starting Sunday. This decision leaving content creators who rely on the app for income unhappy.
When you destroy or take away a social media platform that's so ingrained in the job market here, then I think that's really destructive for a lot of Americans.
The Chinese-owned TikTok had challenged the sale or ban law on grounds it limits free speech, but the justices unanimously upheld the law, saying it did not violate First Amendment rights. The bipartisan law passed last year banned TikTok unless its Chinese owner, ByteDance, sells the company, citing well-supported national security concerns regarding TikTok's data collection practices and relationship with a foreign adversary. A presidential executive order could delay the TikTok ban, which goes into effect Sunday, one day before President-elect Trump is sworn into office. President Biden leaving the choice for the next administration.
The decision's going to be made by the next president anyway, so I think it will work.
President-elect Trump today telling Americans to stay tuned for his decision. This as TikTok CEO today thanked Trump for his commitment to find a solution.
Rest assured, we will do everything in our power to ensure our platform thrives as your online home for limitless creativity and discovery.
TikTok says the app will go dark in the U.S. on Sunday. When the law takes effect, it likely won't disappear from phones, but it's expected to disappear from the App Store, and updates will be unavailable. Melissa Adon, ABC News, Los Angeles.
Well, Kentucky Senator Rand Paul had strong words against the decision today, calling it a violation of the First Amendment.
170 million Americans express themselves on TikTok on a daily basis, and it's just wrong for the government to ban it. Most of the reasons the government banned it were based on accusations, not proof. I've never been tried and found guilty of sharing information with a communist government or any of that.
Paul went on to say TikTok's owners offered alternative solutions to selling the app, but those offers were rejected. Paul said he is hopeful that President-elect Trump will take executive action to prevent the ban from happening. And Kentucky's other senator, Mitch McConnell, celebrated the ruling. McConnell filed a brief with the court before the decision, urging them to uphold the law. In that brief, he said in part, successive Congresses and presidential administrations realized the danger TikTok poses to American national security and went about carefully crafting a response to that adversary threat.